artificial intelligence is becoming more dangerous day by day. With the help of AI, many things are possible today that were considered impossible even yesterday. The future may have more surprises than we can even imagine. Let's keep it for the future. But some AI tools are capable of stealing your identity right now. All it takes is just a picture of you, and your face can be copied. Tomorrow, you might find yourself conversing with someone in a place you've never even heard of, nor did you see the person's face. And it is called deepfake technology. However, in today's video, we will talk about the top 4 such deepfake AI tools. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Tool number 1. Reface AI. Reface AI is an AI tool hub. There are some incredible AI tools available here. You can swap faces, restyle images and videos, animated images with Reface AI. To start your deepfake journey with Reface AI, select the Swap Faces tool from here. Now, we have to create an account. To do this, click on Sign In from here. Create an account with your Google or Facebook account. After creating an account, click on Upload Content from here. Now, upload your target video here. I will add a random video from the internet. After uploading the target video, come to the right side, click on the ad face. Now, upload the source image here. Let's upload a random photo created by a text-to-image generator AI. After that, click on Swap Faces to start the process. It will take some time. Let's fast forward the video, and here it is. You can see the result. Let's see the before and after results. That's quite impressive, isn't it? Let me know in the comments section if you are enjoying the video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's move forward to the next. Tool number 2, 𝗂𝗲𝗃. 𝗂𝗃𝗃 is now in the beta version. You can install it on your local device or can use it with Google Colab Notebook. In my opinion, it's the best deepfake tool I ever used. And yes, it's completely free. Today I will use it with Google Colab Notebook. After coming to the Colab Notebook, hit on the Connect button from here. After establishing the connection, come to Clone 𝗂𝗃𝗃 and install dependencies and hit the Run button to start the process. It will take some time. At this time, we can upload our targeted video and source image to this notebook. To do this, click on the directory icon from here. Now, click on the upload icon from here. Now, an important part. Alright. Clone 𝗂𝗃𝗃 and install dependencies are completed. Now come to the second step. Hit the Run button of the download model. It will take around 2 minutes to complete. Now come to the deepfake option. In this step, we need to do some customization. We have to change the target video and the source image file path. To do this, come to the directory panel and select one of the targeted video files. Click on the 3-dot menu and select the copy path. After that, come to the code panel and select the target file path, then paste our target video path by hitting Ctrl+V. After that, we have to change the source image path. Again, go to the directory panel and copy the path of our source image, and then paste it on the code panel source image path. After all is set, hit the Run button of the deepfake. Now you have to wait some time. After completing the process, refresh the directory panel. You will find a new file named swapped MP4. Download the file on your device by clicking on the 3-dot menu and then selecting Download. Okay, our deepfake video has been downloaded. Let's see the difference. That's quite good, I think. Alright friends, now let's talk about the third. Tool number 3, Face Swap Video. This tool also is in the beta version. Currently, this tool is hosted on replicate.com. Replicate is a large AI tools hub where you can access a vast number of AI tools for free. You have to just create an account with a GitHub account. After creating the account, go to the Explorer tab and search for Face Swap in the search bar. You will find some tools related to swapping. Select the Face Swap video tools from here. This is the Face Swap tool developed by Phils. Now we have to just upload the source image and targeted video on this page. First, click here to upload the source image and then upload the source image. After uploading the source image, scroll down and click here to upload the targeted video. Now you can enhance the face by clicking here. After all is set, hit the Run button from here. Now it will take around 5 minutes to complete the process. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is, our video is ready. Now, to download the video on your device, click on the download button from here. Okay, let's see the result. Alright, now we will talk about the last tool. Tool number 4, 𝗂𝗲𝗳𝗲𝗃. Our last tool is 𝗂𝗲𝗳𝗃. 𝗂𝗲 is the hub of AI tools. Here you can swap faces in videos or images, create realistic AI avatars, generate text for images, and change image or video backgrounds. Today I will try the deepfake tools only. Come to the Tool tab from here and then select Face Swap. To use this tool, first, you need to create an account. Click on the Login button from here. Now create an account with your Google or email account. After creating the account, you will get 50 free credits every day. If you want to buy additional credits, then you can buy it from here. Alright, let's move forward to create a deepfake video. First, you need to upload the target video. You can drag and drop the video clips here, or click here to upload the video. I will upload this video. It will take some time to analyze the video clips. Once it is completed, you can see the preview here. Now come to the right side. Here you can see this tool detected face in 3 angles. Your result might be different from mine depending on how much motion your video has. Okay, now we have to upload the source image. You can use a sample image from here. I will use this image. After uploading your source image, just drag and drop the image in every face detection block. After all is done, scroll down and hit the high-quality face swap button from here, and AI has started its work. You can click on the result button from here to see the result. And here it is. You can see the result. Now, if you want to download the swap video, click on Download from here. Let's see the before and after version. That's really amazing. Now I will play all the clips with the original one. You have to do just one thing. Comment about the best one. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating deepfake video with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.